Hi there, it's Caroline, and today I'm setting up my bullet journal for September. Per usual, I wasn't sure what to draw until one day I decided to challenge myself with an animal theme. I was looking into fall animals like foxes or squirrels, but settled on deers. And I found so many nice pictures of deers in the fall that I had to do it. I started out with a quote on the left page which says, "Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall," with a big leaf on the bottom end of the quote. Also, how do you like this backdrop? I feel like it's so much better than the other one. On the page to the right, beside the quote, I placed the title page. There I drew a picture that I found online very similarly. I like how it looks so far, but coloring it will be a challenge. I used yellow ochre, how do you say that? All over the leaf and used a mixture of burnt umber and cadmium red to add little red blotches on the leaf, as well as burnt umber and carmine for some intenser red areas. The title page I kept in a brown shade because deer are brown. Then I added a background inside the circle behind the two deer and dotted some leaves on the branches. Finally, I added the white speckles on the deer and added some gold for some accents. Let's move on to the calendar page. I colored the deer in just like in the title page with pretty much the same colors. I added a lot of leaves on the bottom and top of the page with various autumn colors like brown, red, deep green, yellow. That makes the whole page look more filled out, and why not? Then I used the same font I used on the title page, and while making the boxes I made a mistake. I drew over the deer, which I wanted to be in the front, but hey, it's okay. And now I outlined the deer as well as added the speckles, and we're done with the page. And here we are at the first week of September. I wanted to recreate yet another picture I saw online, and boy was it difficult to paint it all. The entire time I was worried the page was too wet and the paint bleed through, and I'm happy to say it did not. Insert smiley face here. I first layered on some yellow on the very center and some red-brown on the bottom, and then added the lighter brown trees at the center and slowly built up the colors of the trees on the front. Eventually I got my blow dryer because I was getting impatient. Then I added the deer in the middle with some shadows and sponged on some leaves with a normal kitchen sponge. Once I was happy with the painting, I moved on to the left side, where I painted a leaf in the center where the week number will go. The weekdays will just have a simple table design. Finally, I cleaned up the edges with a white gel paint, and we are ready for a flip through. As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, it would make me so happy if you could press the thumbs up button, and if you like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and with that all said, bye!